Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Mr. Preem here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the newest bot slash update soon to come out, Eve AIO X. But before we get into that, I'm going to remind you to join my Discord server. The link is in the description. It's completely free and I give members info on shoes and stuff and alerts on drops that are happening, so you might as well join so you don't miss out. Also, please hit the like button and subscribe. It would mean a lot. Thank you. So now let's talk about Eve AIO X, previously known as Eve 2.0, which was announced back in April, which was a long time ago, and it's pretty much been a long time joke that it's never coming out. But the long wait finally seems to be coming to an end, with a lot of speculation from the mods and devs hinting of a close release in the Eve Discord that it can possibly be out this February or maybe March. There as well has already been users that were asked to help test Eve AIO X very recently, and I've seen some success that they've posted. With myself being the Eve Discord and having an elite role in it, I've seen some images and sneak peeks that a majority of the public doesn't know of yet that is coming with Eve X. So let me show you what new things that they're adding, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. And you're gonna want to watch until the end where I reveal their biggest addition to the bot, which is pretty crazy. So here's what we know. To start off, we have the new UI, what the bot itself looks like. This is a huge upgrade from before, because Eve at the moment has a very old looking UI compared to the bots nowadays. And this is new UI, it looks so clean and smooth. I think everybody likes it. The devs chose some nice colors, and to be honest, this might be the nicest looking UI when it comes out. Overall 10 out of 10 on the new design. But that's just the UI. What about like real performance? Well, there are things Eve has shown the public, but there are some things that not everyone knows. The next big thing Eve is adding is a new mode called the preload mode. What this mode essentially does is on sites like Kith and DSM, where bot protection and checkpoint is always on, this mode allows you to handle the checkpoint before the drop, giving you a huge advantage compared to other people who want to solve the CAPTCHA and have to do the CAPTCHA. This is a big new addition to Eve, and I was very excited to hear they are adding this mode, alongside some other bots who already added this mode like Dashi and Cyber. So now it's time for my favorite new addition to Eve, AIO X, which is so low-key and barely anyone knows. Trust me, this is big. With Eve X comes a built-in monitor. I received this picture from the developer himself along with other users. Eve has joined the likes of NSP with this new addition. This monitor will be extremely helpful for sites that drop at a random time. I'm assuming you will be able to click on the item from the monitor to make tasks go for that item. I was very surprised to hear they were adding this, and now know what they were spending all this time doing. And with all these new additions coming to Eve AIO X, I think a lot of users will start to use Eve again and start cooking, especially with this new performance updates. I believe Eve will be a popular bot again, more than it already is in AIO X. And trust me, when X does come out, I'll be out with a tutorial so quick, faster than you smash the like button on this video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and join the Discord. Goodbye.